Hi, this is Sarah McClellan with Pixels and Pills. We're in Philadelphia at the Digital Pharma East conference, and I'm standing here with Mr. Kerry Robinson, who is the Vice President of Sales and Business Development at HCPlexus. How are you doing?
I'm doing quite well, quite well. It's a great conference.
Can you give me a little bit of background about your place within your company and how you're here at the conference this week?
Well, I have sales and business development responsibilities. HCPlexus is a company that was started up last September 2009. The way the company got started is we purchased the Little Blue Book from WebMD. The Little Blue Book is a physician's directory that sort of ties in a bunch of different practice information, you know, what specialists are out there, what their physical addresses are, phone numbers, and then also what their insurance plans are. So what the whole premise behind our product is we make it easier for physicians to communicate with other physicians and refer patients. The benefit to the physician is it saves them time during their practice so they can see more patients and therefore make more money. The reason why we're here today is we launched a mobile application for the Little Blue Book 2 months ago. And so I want to see what's going on in the industry, how we could theoretically position our product better, and what else is going on. So.
Have you been able to speak to anyone that you felt like could offer some insight into, you know, placing your new product, and have people been excited about what you're doing within the company?
I'd have to say that I've been very impressed with the reception that we've gotten from the pharma folks, just in terms of the utility of the product. I just came out of a meeting that Rich Riddle from Amgen presented some data on some of the challenges that they have. Sorry about that. So from a utility perspective, the meeting's been great. There have been a very sort of diverse set of different discussions to really kind of give you a holistic look at what's going on in the market on the digital side. So there's some challenges and there's definitely some good things that have come out of it so far. What
do you think would be the one key to success for integrating these new products within, you know, today's market in pharma marketing, and getting this to the physicians, but also allowing that to be, you know, accessible perhaps to consumers in the future?
Well, I think there are two things. You know, the first thing is the digital technology is just a distribution channel. And so it's not so much, I mean, I think it's great that we have all these new emerging technologies and that we're trying to figure out how to use them. But I think that the key ultimately is what kind of messaging are we sending out, who are we communicating with, and then just how do we figure, you know, how to nuance the technology so that it delivers it quickly and that there's a sort of, you know, a give and take in terms of, okay, we push this message out to you, now we can sort of get feedback directly and in a timely fashion. So that's really what the challenge is, and I think that this meeting is awesome, if I can be a colloquial Californian kind of thing. But I think that this meeting really gives or provides an opportunity for people to sort of say, okay, I'm not so myopic anymore. It's not just about what my vertical is. Now I can sort of see what's going on in the entire market, and maybe I can integrate, you know, multiple tactics, or I can look at things different ways so that I can accomplish what my goal is. With regard to us specifically, it's interesting. I think we really, because we're so new as a product, we wanted to have the opportunity to talk to some of our, you know, potential clients here, but then also think about product extensions that we could theoretically come up with to address the gaps in what's been presented.
Well, fantastic. Thank you, Kerry, for talking to us today. I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you very much.
This is Sarah McClellan with Pixels and Pills signing off.